Hi, Trey. Are you playing with the button on your pants? Can you tell me, Trey, what does a cow say? Oh. Trey, what does an elephant do? Mm. Trey, who's this?
Mom.
Mom. Good boy. Whoa, what does a monkey say? Yeah. What are you doing? Is Daddy at work? Daddy, can you say hi to Grandpa? Papa? How about Grandma? Can you say hi to Grandma? Yeah, you can't get that closer, Mommy can't get you on here. Yeah. Can you say up? Up. Can you say bus? Bus, yeah, the buses are out there usually, aren't they? Bus. Trey, can you say hi? Can you say hi to everybody? Yeah, the buses aren't there yet. It's not time for school to be done. Oh. Can you go play your piano? Show them how you play your piano. Yeah, Mom will button that. Where's your belly? Where's your belly? There it is. Where's your tongue? Where's your tongue? There it is. Where's your head? Trey, where's your head? Yeah, you're shaking it. Where's your toes? Oh. Are you trying to get your toes down there? Okay, can you say, Trey, back up. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Grandpa. Bye-bye, Grandma.
Mom.
Mom. Okay, bye-bye.